Okay, so this is how to upgrade the memory on a Dell Latitude 3460. The first thing to do is flip over the laptop. You've got a little catch here on the right. Move that to the left. Take the battery out. Then get a screwdriver. Remove the two screws. Number one. Number two. And then there's a little catch here. You need to put a flathead in. You need to pry it open a bit. Just be careful not to break it. Run your fingers around the edge. It'll clip open. Before you touch any electrical components though, please dissipate any static electric. So this can be done in the form of a wristband, or you can touch a piece of metal. So as you can see here, this is the memory. This laptop has 4 GB of RAM, and there is a spare slot. So if you just get the new memory module that you wish to pop in, and you need to be lining it up with the little indent there. So make sure you line it up on there. You need to go in at an angle, and then once you've got it in, you need to slowly press it down until you hear the click. The 2 little clips on the side should be engaged into the memory module, and that's it. So, and now we'll put the case back on. So line the case up, clip it down, get your screwdriver again, tighten up the 2 screws, number 1 and number 2, and then pop in the battery again. There we go, that's it, all done and dusted.